Welcome or welcome back to the Soft Life Collective, the channel for women who are looking to connect with their feminine energy, prioritize self-care, and create a life that's aligned with their true selves. I believe that every woman has the power to live a fulfilling and joyful life, and I'm here to help you do just that. So together, we'll discuss and explore things like self-care, mindfulness, beauty tips, confidence building, and what it truly means to be and live soft as we embrace a purposeful, intentional, and radiant life. The Soft Life Collective is where you're cherished and supported every step of the way. So cozy on up, grab your tea and snacks, and let's get into today's topic: how to reinvent yourself and glow up for the new year. First, let's start with setting our intentions for the new year. As we stand on the brink of a brand new year, it's the perfect time to reflect on our journeys, set our intentions, and embrace the opportunity for a radiant glow up. The first step in this transformative journey is reflection. Take a moment to celebrate your achievements and acknowledge the lessons you've learned in this past year. What aspects of your life do you want to carry forward, and what do you wish to leave behind? Get out your journal, find a quiet space, and let's explore these thoughts together. Now let's delve into the heart of our journey: self-care and mindfulness. Nurturing your mind, body, and spirit is essential for a genuine glow-up. Explore mindfulness practices. Incorporate a skincare routine that feels like a self-love ritual, and embrace the joy that comes from within. Next is confidence building. Building confidence is a key element of reinventing yourself. So challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone, embrace your uniqueness, and stand tall in your authenticity. Remember that you're worthy of all the love and success that comes your way. Next, embrace the soft life. As we navigate this journey of reinvention, let's not forget the essence of the soft life. Embrace what it truly means to be soft. Open your heart, radiate kindness, and live with purpose and intention. You are creating a life that aligns with your true self, and that is a beautiful, ongoing process. Now, let's talk about setting tangible goals and action steps. What do you want to achieve in the next new year? Break down your goals into manageable steps and create a plan of action. This is where your journey of reinvention takes a concrete form. Lastly is community and support. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. The Soft Life Collective is here to support you every step of the way. Surround yourself with a community that uplifts and inspires you, like this one. Share your goals, celebrate your victories, and lean on each other during challenges. Together, we're creating a space of love and encouragement. I encourage you now to leave me a comment down below and let me know some of your goals for the new year and how you plan on reinventing yourself or carrying in some more positive soft life traits. And as always, if you made it to the end of this video, leave me a pink heart to let me know. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, the power to reinvent yourself and glow up for the new year lies within you. Cherish yourself, embrace the soft life, and step into the new year with radiance and purpose. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Soft Life Collective with the amazing women in your life. Until next time, stay soft, stay radiant, and keep living the soft life.